Hello guys, today we will discuss the CSIR NET Chemistry June 2018 Part C Booklet A question number 106. This is a 4 marks question. So this is a physical chemistry question and the question on your screen. I will read the question. Difference between the activation energies of the reverse and the forward step of a reversible reaction is 9.212 RT. If the pre-exponential factor of the forward reaction is double that of the reverse reaction at the same temperature, the equilibrium constant for the reaction at the temperature will be what? So there are 4 options are given. So guys, first we will come for the details analysis of this question. So this question came from the Arrhenius equation and this is the Arrhenius equation is there on your screen. Okay. So here K is the rate constant and A is the pre-exponential factor and this EA is the activation energy and R is the universal gas constant and this T equal to temperature in Kelvin. Okay. So guys, first I will tell about the physical interpretation of this equation. Here A is the pre-exponential factor which has the identical unit with the K, that means the rate of the reaction. Okay, so but it's rate constant. Okay, so the rate constant and this A has the identical unit. And if the order of the reaction will change, then the unit also will change. Suppose for the first order reaction, the unit of the rate constant is second inverse, and therefore the unit of the A is second inverse. So what is the K means rate constant means? So K represents the number of collision that result in a reaction per second. So that all collision that will result in a reaction in per second is represented by the rate constant. And what is A? A is the total number of collision per second occurring with the proper orientation to react. Okay, so it will lead to the reaction or may not lead to the reaction. And what is this term? This term is the probability. Okay, so this total term is the probability that given collision will be result to the reaction or not. So that is the probability. So this probability, if we multiply with the total number of collision happen in a particular direction in per second, then what will happen? We will get an effective number of collision. This effective number of collision that will lead to the product per second we will get. And guys, this part of this Arrhenius equation is a temperature dependent part. A also have a temperature dependency, but that temperature dependency is very less compared to this part. So guys, now we'll come to the question. So in the question, a reversible reaction they are talking about, and this is the reversible reaction. So this is the forward reaction with a rate constant is Kf, and this is the backward reaction. So this backward reaction rate constant is Kr. So this is a reversible means Kr. Okay. So that is the Kf is the rate constant forward reaction. Kr is the rate constant for the backward reaction. Now AF is the pre-exponential factor for the forward reaction. AR is the reversible reaction pre-exponential factor, and this EAF is the activation energy for the forward reaction, and EAR is the activation energy for the reverse reaction. So now guys, what is given in the question is given that the difference between the activation energy of the reverse reaction and the activation energy in the forward reaction is equal to 9.212 RT. And one more thing also given is that the pre-exponential factor of the forward reaction is twice of the pre-exponential factor of the reverse reaction. So these two conditions are given. So guys, first we will write the Arrhenius equation for the forward reaction equal to Kf equal to AF into e to the power minus EAF by RT. And for the backward reaction, what will happen? KB or KR equal to AR into e to the power minus EAR by RT. So that both cases the temperature is same. So this is the equation 1 and equation 2, and we know the equilibrium constant. So this equilibrium constant equal to what? This is the Kf by Kr. So now Kf by Kr equal to what? This term, this equation will divide by this equation. So this term will come, so AF by AR into e to the power minus EAF by RT by e to the power minus EAR by RT. So this will come. So now guys, we know that AF equal to 2 into AR by AR into, if this will go to the above, then what will form? This will be positive. So therefore this is the EAR minus EAF by RT. So this we will get. So now guys, this AR will cancel out and it will be 2 into e to the power minus this term is equal to this one. So 9.212 RT by RT. Now this RT will cancel out and it will be 2 into e to the power minus to the power 9.212 and this is equal to k. So now both sides we will take ln. So ln k equal to ln2 plus ln e to the power 9.212. So we know this has a base of e and here also e is there. So therefore the actual value is this 9.212. So this will be ln2. So ln k equal to ln2 plus 9.212. So guys, ln k we can write 2.303 log k equal to 2.303 log 2 plus 9.212. Now we have to divide both sides by 2.303. Then we will get log k equal to log 2 plus, if you divide this one by 2.303, then we will get the 4. Now guys, log 2 equal to 0.3010. This value is given. So therefore it will be log k equal to 0.3010 plus 4. So that means 4.3010. So k equal to what will be that? So anti-log. So we have to do this, log will come this side. So this will be anti-log of this 4.3010. Now this is the number is there before the decimal. So this 4 will be 10 to the power 4. So this is the rule of anti-log. So the before the decimal the number will be the 10 to the power 4 into the after decimal anti-log will be, we have to write. So anti-log of 0.3010. So we know this is the log 2 value of this, means 2 equal to anti-log of 0.3010. So that means this is the value is 2. So therefore the anti-log of 3010 will be 2. So this is a 2 into 10 to the power 4. So this will be the value of k. So this is the answer. So guys, now we will see the question. So in this question we can see this option 2 is representing the correct answer among this 4. So hope guys you understand this calculation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come for the next video tomorrow, and please like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.